Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the rear wiper on your Lexus RX, specifically the second generation. I'm going to be using my 2005 Lexus RX, so stay tuned for this video. Start off with the wiper blade that I've bought. I've managed to get a Bosch rear. It's a H352. And on the rear of it, it tells you the various cars that it's applicable for, so it's things like the Lexus Chiron, Jeep Cherokee, Kia Cairns, Lexus RX, Toyota Corolla, Mitsubishi Outlanders, a wide variety of cars. So I'll take a quick picture of that and set that on the screen to show you guys. So we're going to jump outside and fit this to the car. Go ahead and clip these wee guys off. Comes off like so. Lift this up. As you can see, the wiper blades fell apart. Lift this and slide it out. Like so, and that's the old wiper blade there. You can see it's got a little clip in there. Get the nice shiny new one out, clip that back in like so, and clip this wee plastic piece back over, and that's you done. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching my video on the rear wiper replacement. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel below if you're a Lexus fan or if you found it useful, and I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching. Ciao.